So real quick, I'll show the platforms that I've made, which is also what I've showed in tips and tricks last winter. So I have two of them. One's for 118. Turn them around here. And one's for 135 degrees. So I've got those two sets. And so if you got 135 degrees, find the angle that you need to cut your slot at, that the drill bit's going to rest in. Just take the degree of the inclusive angle of the drill bit, in this case 135 degrees, divide that in half, and then cut yourself a V slot. Take yourself a square piece of wood. On the back, glue on a piece of fence. And now that fence rides against your platform. You set your platform 90 degrees to your wheel. Set a drill bit in. Set your drill bit in. Have the flute of your drill bit right at your grinding wheel. And all you got to do is just slide this platform right across the platform on your grinder, and that flute's done. Flip it over, do the same thing, and then you're going to have a perfectly sharpened flute on your drill bit. And these replace your drill doctor. And you just use your scrap wood you got laying around underneath the workbench or on the floor. That's it for me.
Very cool. Very, very cool.
Amazing.
And like I said, so I did a full-on tips and tricks demo on how to do this back in the last quarter of 2023 for our tips and tricks, or it was the first quarter of 2024. So it's available to see how it's done in real time.
Thank you, Dane.